Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the privacy protection. Let's tap on it. Now we have to swipe from the right to the left, just like that. And here scroll down to enter special permissions. Then let's find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So of course we can change it. Just tap on the app, in my case Chrome, and tap on the switcher. And as you can see here, we've got the warning that basically you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and give the permissions really wisely. So you have to tick this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. As you can see, this option is active, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course it will work the same with all other apps, and you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.